Hello everyone, today I will show you how to add dotted underline to your PDF file using Wondershare PDF element. Open your PDF file with Wondershare PDF element. Now click on this comment option and here you will find this underline option. Click here and select underline. Now drag your mouse cursor and select your text and this underline now select and this right side your top option. Here you will find this properties option. Select here and this is underline option and this is a dotted underline and this is a dotted underline now created. Now I will change this thickness and see this. Also I will make this underline red underline and see this. Also I will do underline here and I will make this one dash underline and see this. And color I will make this yellow color and this one purple color and thickness I will increase and see this. In this way, you can change your underline style on your PDF file. And finally, select this file option, save or save as your PDF file. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share, and comments.